Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to some more Minecraft episode 2. Oh, by the way, while I was gone, I kind of explored the world a bit more, and I also got a horse. I don't know why I just got a horse. I had some apples and I got a saddle, and yeah. So I might put so today we're gonna build like a pen for him or something. So yeah. So let me just get off my horse, please. Can I get off him? I'm stuck. How do you get off? 1 second. Okay, I got off him. I'm so dumb. I don't know how to play Minecraft, literally. Couldn't get off you. But I'm gonna put you in this pen for now. But I need to extend the thingy. So I need to extend. Hold on. I just need to go to that. I just need to go to my chest to get crafting table. What do you need for this? Sticks. Okay, I need more sticks. And now I need more wood. Because I have no wood anymore. So, now I can get it. Right now, okay, wait. Now I can get the fence to put my horses in them. Oh sugar, why am I so bad? And yes, I am restarting this. No, what the? Okay, I've lost my horses. There they are. Wait, which one's mine? This one's mine. Right, come on. Where's your baby? Oh no. No! Baby! Oh no, the child! I've lost the baby. Where's the child? What happened to the child? No! Your baby's gone! Well, now you have no child. I'm sorry, what, you just died or something? Where is it? It's the villager. Have you seen a baby horse? No, extra, okay. It's getting dark. I'm gonna go to bed, and tomorrow I'm gonna maybe work on the house. I don't know. But something like that. I need a furnace. I just forgot. I haven't mined anything yet. I need to go mining or something soon because we need stone for a furnace and to get diamonds if you want to get diamonds and stuff. So I'm going to make a mine. Right, I need my sword out because you never know where there could be skeletons, creepers. There's a creeper over there when I was in. So, yeah. Hello. So, today I need to get more trees. Should I chop these ones down? Or should I leave them for the village? Or should I just get the ones over there? Or, let's get this one over here. To get, wood. Oh, no, oh. I could have suffocated. Who put the tree on sand? That's scary. Right. Let's just get this tree. Oh, this is actually... Never mind. I don't want to go over there. For various reasons. Let's go get some wood. I need some potatoes or something like that. Has anyone got potatoes, like beetroot and seeds? Wheat or something like that? I don't know. Because I'm gonna need food. Oh, carrots. One of you guys trades 22. Oh no. Do not punch this dude, okay? Do not punch him. Because I punched him. He chased me, remember? And, by the way, if you haven't watched the first episode, go watch it. It's in the description. Okay, so there's my horse. I thought he was gone. Second, I don't know why. Well, carrots. I need carrots for food. Well, I have potatoes. I could eat my potatoes. Oh, ouchies. So let's go get my horsey. My horsey. What do you think of your pen, horsey? I need. Oh my god, it's following me. Oh yeah, 'cause it's my pet. Or do you? No, they don't eat carrots, right? Let me eat my potatoes. No, I'm not like potatoes, but. Seriously, I literally have no help. Hunger bars now. And I keep doing that. Do not do. I'm so bad today. I can't play. I don't know. Some reason I cannot play today. I don't know why, but yeah. So why? Okay, I don't know why. I might replace the floor or something. Soon we're gonna go mining into like a cave or something and get some stuff. I don't know what stuff. But some stuff to like build. Get diamonds, gold. You know those things, so yeah. Right. I'm gonna need this wood. What do I need? Books. This leather, wheat, fences, seeds, wheat, fruit, seeds. Yeah, I guess I don't really need this. Anyway, let's go mining. To the cave. Not a cave, you know. Mining. Just. Oh, how is the priest? What do you have? What do I trade? Do you trade? Does this trade? Okay, you don't trade anything. I'm gonna do my mine. I'm gonna make a mine. Right here. Okay. Right, here's the stone. Here's the goodies that we need. Right, we're gonna go down more. So we can. Here we go, right. I need coal for torches. I'm scared there's gonna be mobs in the cave, and the best place for coal is caves. Are you serious? I haven't even dug down. Right, let's just mine here for a while to get some stone. Much stone is possible. Oh, I found some iron. Oh, that's even better than, well, kind of better than coal, but I don't know. Oh, quite a bit of iron. Right, let's mine this. Oh, you need stone pick, right. Right, let's go back to the. I might make a crafting table under here. Because why not? I found some iron. Which is better than coal. Which is good because you can make tools and iron, smelt it. Right. Let's make a furnace. Right, I made a furnace. put that there. And probably in the next episode, I'm going to go probably like trying to look for like other things, maybe improve on my horsies and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm gonna make a crafting table under here, so I don't have to keep going out for my crafting table. I can make 7 crafting tables. I don't think I need that, but okay, thank you. Right. I need a stone pickaxe and a stone sword. Oh, coal! Perfect, we've hit the jackpot in here. Not really, but you know. Perfect, we've got a good bit of coal here. And some enchanting. There's a lot of coal here. Right. Let's pop that. Oh, no. Let's not pop that. Let's not pop that down there, because that is going to block us. Let's put the crafting table. Why am I doing that with an axe? Let's put the crafting table there, so I can definitely craft some pickaxe and a sword. Perfect. Now I can mine some iron. Ooh. And then smelt it. So yeah, I think that's going to be all for today's video, you guys. Hope you liked it, and next video I'll probably like make a bigger house, do something like that, or something else, and maybe like main diamonds, I don't know. But I'll see you guys in the next episode, I guess. Bye!